Today I'm going to show you how to make a flat knit plush octopus. The first step is to cast on 24 stitches and knit for 6 inches. Insert a yarn needle through the stitches on the knitting needle to remove. Pull the yarn together and sew the side seam. Turn right side out and start stuffing the head. Stop about 1.5 inches before you reach the bottom. Add the eyes. Make a running stitch about 1.5 inches up from the bottom and pull together. The next step is to make the tentacles. Cast on 24 stitches and knit for 2.5 inches. Cast off. Fold the tentacle over and begin sewing the side and the bottom seam. You will need to make a total of 8 tentacles. Lightly stuff the tentacle. You can use the end of a knitting needle to push the fiber fill down. Take the open end of the tentacle and stitch it to the base of the head. Repeat this with the other 7 tentacles.